Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my super easy and painless eyebrow shaving routine that I do right at home. The key to a flawless eyebrow shave is in the preparation. I always start by cleansing my face and gently patting it dry. I always start by brushing my eyebrows with a spoolie brush because this simple step helps me to determine the natural shape of my brows and ensure that I don't over tweeze or shave too much. Next, apply aloe vera gel or moisturizer. As we all know, aloe vera is a magical ingredient that soothes and hydrates the skin. Apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel on your eyebrows to create a protective barrier and ensure a smooth shaving experience. Not only does it moisturize the skin, but it also helps the razor glide effortlessly, reducing any potential irritation. Now, before we begin the eyebrow shaping process, it is crucial to ensure that your razor is clean and sanitized. Hold the skin around your eyebrows taut and sweep your eyebrow razor in small strokes, going in the same direction as the hair growth. This will reduce the chance of any nicks or cuts on your skin. It's also important to remember that there is no need to rush. Start by shaping the top of your eyebrows. Be sure to only remove stray hairs and avoid overplucking. A large stroke can ruin the shaving outcome. Make sure the strokes are short and light. Keep checking the process in the mirror so that it goes well as planned. Don't rush, keep washing the razor after every 2 to 3 strokes. Now move on to the bottom of your eyebrows. Use the razor to create a clean line, following the natural shape of your brow. This can be tricky, but follow the outline for best results. Maintain the uniform thickness while shaving under the brows up to the arch. Shaving in between the brows if there is any growth in that area. The inner edge and the outer edge should be in the same line. Once done, comb the brow with the spoolie. Trim the hair that extend beyond the drawn outline with a pair of scissors. Now brush the hair downwards and repeat the same step. Brush it to get them in shape. Make sure not to use an exfoliator or chemical-based products immediately after shaving. After I'm done shaving and cleaning up my brows, it's time to show them some love with a nourishing moisturizer. I apply a pea-sized amount of my favorite moisturizer to hydrate and protect the skin, leaving my brows looking and feeling their best. This step is essential to lock in moisture and prevent any irritation post-shave. Lastly, it's time to fill in those brows using a brow pencil. Begin by outlining the bottom of your eyebrows and then gently fill in any spare areas with short, feathery strokes. Don't forget to blend everything in for a more natural look. And there you have it, my foolproof guide to achieving clean groomed eyebrows at home using facial razor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.